Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm so happy to see you again. I will explain today, which is the second or the 2 of October 2025 and the trading of that date. As you can see, there was a weakness yesterday uh, and weakness yesterday, and the price changed its direction forward towards its buys, the main buys, which is bullish, and make a sweep here. And once the price make a sweep, moving down, and this a rejection, and this also a rejection. This is the main rejection on 1 hour and on 2 hours and on H4 also. On 30 minutes, it is a bearish engulfment. When we change it, when we see on these movement from this point to sweeping of the switch point above, there is no fair value gap on H1. That's mean it is not so potent bullish. It is not so potent bullish. So when we change it on 30, we can see that only fair value gap is here on 30 minutes. Only fair value gap along this movement, okay? And on 15 minutes, we can see that the trend is making a market structure, and there is no fair value gap on 15 minutes. On 5 minutes, no, also it is not so potent. Once the price sweep the high, then moving down, and then rejected on 5 minutes, rejected from this fair value gap. Okay, rejected from this fair value gap. There is two fair value gap, this fair value gap, and there is another inverted fair value gap here also. Inverted fair value gap, the price return sweep this fair value gap and then moving down more and more. On 15 minutes, you can see there was a fair value gap here, and on 5 minutes, you can see how the market sweep this fair value gap, moving down to reach the H4 and also daily fair value gap. This is a daily fair value gap cited below or hovering below. This is a daily fair value gap. You can see it, and and also you can see that there was an H4 FVG. H4, this is a daily fair value gap here, and this is H4 FVG. And also there is something which is very significant and important. I want to talk about it, which is the this double bottom, this double bottom, which cited below this fair value gap, cited below. This is a double bottom, cited below this fair value gap. You can see it very well. You can see it very well. So it is hovering below this fair value gap, and it is very beautiful to move the price below. So this is liquidity below this is double bottom, and below it there is a daily fair value gap. Once the price reaching this area, I want to show you something which is very important, which is on 15 minutes. You can see there was I'm so late to enter in the market because I'm not online on these movement, but I make a money where here you can see that the price, you can see that the price is making a fair value gap on 15 minutes. Okay, this is 15-minute fair value gap, 15 minutes. Okay, and then when we change it on 5 minutes, you can see that there was a rejection here, and the market moving down again, and they're making another rejection. On 3 minutes, you can see this another rejection. On 3 minutes, there is a rejection here, and there is a rejection here, and there was this rejection coming from inverted fair value gap and fair value gap. So there is two fair value gap, and once the price rejected, I sell in this area, and the price moving rapidly towards this price, and I'm going out 3,820. Okay, so you can see that there was two rejection on 5 minutes from the fair value gap first, and then market structure, and then another rejection. This rejection coming from 3 minutes fair value gap, inverted fair value gap, and fair value gap, and another rejection here, and another rejection here. Give me a hint that the price will move down, and the price moving rapidly down. You can see it very well. We are sell here, we are sell here, okay, and the price moving down, and I make money and go out, because this area is difficult to trade. Why? Because there was a multiple rejection on a higher time frame. You can see it. There was I'm trading this candle, I'm trading only this candle. There is rejection, 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 but there is a sign of weakness. I'm entering, selling here, and go out rapidly once the price reaching 20. Okay. But it is very important to know that you should go out at this site, and this is switch point, but I'm waiting more. I'm going out here. Okay. I'm going out, and I see that the market will not continue because of this rejection first, and also there is a potent fair value gap here. And this fair value gap, if you want to see it on H4, there is two fair value gap. This is inverted fair value gap, and this is another fair value gap. So there is a daily fair value gap, there is inverted fair value gap H4, and there is a fair value gap H4. So it is a very potent area. And also this is an order block, and this is an order block. So you should be careful and go out rapidly, because the main buys of the market also is bullish. So be careful when you sell, and be careful when you buy. Thank you very much, my friend, and bye bye.